Hi friends, today we will see how we can uninstall McAfee antivirus. This I got when I bought my laptop. It was free initial first 1 year, but now it is expired. So I need to uninstall this. As you can see, I already have Windows Defender, Windows Security activated and running, so this Windows security is enough for me. So I should uninstall this McAfee, which is not required for me right now. And one of the main thing for uninstalling this is it always runs in the background of while I am using this system, and it unnecessarily takes some disk space and RAM space, so which is slow down the my process. And whereas this McAfee is not giving any protection, so I should uninstall this. So for uninstallation process is not straightforward, as this is a antivirus, so we need to follow few steps so that we can uninstall and as well as remove all the components of this particular software. So the first step is, for uninstalling this, we should install a uninstaller for particular process. So first in Google we need to search the uninstaller. It's Mac double E antivirus uninstaller tool. So we need I'm just opening from this after searching, and I'm just ignoring this particular ad which is coming on first. For you guys, I will pin this specific path so that you can directly go here without wasting your time and download the uninstaller. Scrolling down, here you can see this removal tool, and we need to download from here. It will download it here. So now I need to run this installer. Run as administrator. Now I need to go next, click on agree, next. Here we need to give the picture, it is security validation. finish now. So it's in progress now. Okay, so now I need to reboot my computer. So now after restarting my system, I can see the McAfee is totally uninstalled, and on the other hand, this my Windows security, it's up and running, it's working very nicely. And one more thing what I feeling that my system is responding little faster than previous, because in background McAfee is not there, so it is not eating up my system resource. So now I am feeling good. So if you want to do this uninstall process, you can follow this. Hope this would be helpful for you. Thank you and bye bye. And if you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.